Hello everyone, my name is Keval Jadhav, and today we are here because we were able to actually attend a session for brain yoga and brain training conducted by our Honorable Dr. Yadav and Madam Saraswati. In this particular session, we have explored a lot of topics. We were able to explore topics of aura, energies. We did some yogic kriyas which helped us to improve our brain power. We actually went through a personal experience of telekinesis where we were able to move a coconut using our brain vibrations, where it was literally like the coconut fell off our hand by just telling it to move. So that was a wonderful experience. We also learned the power of our brain. We were able to experience the magnetic vibrations that are coming through our mind. Our mind is a powerful machine, unbelievably strong. Using that, we actually used a light bulb made up of very thin glass, and we actually made it drop on a tile. The tile actually shattered into pieces, and I would tell you, I dropped it 4 times, and even the filament of the bulb would not break. So this is the power of our brain, and thanks to everyone over here who were able to provide us with such a wonderful opportunity to experience this and also enhance ourselves. This, I am hoping, that will really help us go along in our life, to help us do some good. I would really appreciate that you guys contact sir so that he could provide you with more upcoming sessions. This is really helpful for you as an adult, and there are special sessions which are also conducted for kids, and they are also unimaginably wonderful. My kids have personally been through this experience, and their reviews are up there on YouTube, so please do check them out. And thank you so much everybody to help us provide this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you, Kevalji. Namaste.